What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's episode, we need to talk about the consolidation that has been taking place this week and is most likely going to be breaking probably come Monday. We might even see some movement this weekend, but that's usually not the case. Now, there's some very interesting things we have to go over here. You can see XRP after seeing an immediate correction to the downside here, after breaking downwards from its beautiful ascending fractal here, you can see we've fallen all the way back down to retest our price floor, the moving average, and are now intertwined within its sideways channel here, which honestly really isn't a bad thing. We're clearly hitting a bottom support here. You can see in my previous videos, we have mentioned numerous times here that we have hit some sort of bottom on these cryptocurrencies, and we are most likely going to consolidate back up. You can pretty much see, I don't know, I've been talking about this for quite some time now. You can see right here, the bottom is in 6 days ago, the bottom is in 5 days ago here. You can see where we've circled resistances, sideways channels here the past couple of days. And that's pretty much the continuation pattern that we're seeing. XRP, I believe strongly, has hit some sort of lower support level on its daily charts, and it's most likely going to be seeing a reversal back to the upside here fairly soon. It's just probably going to happen towards, I would think, Monday as the markets open, but who knows? Anything's possible. We could very easily see a run to the upside here. More so, I think that is possible because we closed yesterday's candle above a major resistance here. Usually, this resistance, this price ceiling at about 47 cents has caused the prices to reject downwards. We haven't actually closed the daily above there, except for yesterday, and that's a huge sign to buy in and long this, which we might take advantage of later on. I just want to kind of gather my thoughts today in this video, and then we'll figure it out later on in today's video. We're also going to be looking at Ethereum, which is retesting its major price ceiling, Bitcoin, which is retesting a resistance as well. Let me just draw that really quick. And then we have the S&P 500, which is doing some very interesting, odd, peculiar things as well. I mean, we could say that this could be the higher low pattern. I don't think it is, but it's surely possible here. Regardless, we're hitting a resistance yet again, which is most likely going to cause us to reject off this come this week. But I'm totally cool with us consolidating upwards like we're doing. You can see it is in an ascending sort of pattern here, which is a huge sign of opportunity for things like the S&P 500. Now, yet again, I just want to give a huge shout out to BidFi here for our collaboration promotion here. If you guys want to receive a free $100 bonus in your BidFi account, whether you have already created a BidFi account, haven't signed up for BidFi yet, or have just recently signed up for BidFi, all you have to do is follow these simple steps here. Link is down in the description. You just register through the specified link, which is in the description, complete KYC, deposit $100, then fill out the form, which, like I said, is in the description below. Once you do that, feel free to just remove or withdraw your $100 that you deposited, and you're left with $100 in your account to do what you want with. Very cool, but it is a bonus, so you can't just buy crypto and withdraw that. You have to trade with it, which is still fun. But moving forward, that is it for the little intro. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies market is consolidating without a doubt here. Lots of consolidation. We're starting an upwards trend, which honestly looks pretty good if you ask me here. But the problem is starting to be, where the heck are we going to? You know, that's pretty much it. We're up 0.27%. Markets are consolidating like across the board here. And honestly, the coin market cap isn't really being that helpful if you ask me. But we're looking at XRP here, and I think this is where things start to become quite peculiar. And I do believe strongly that we are going to be heading up. I think we are undervalued on XRP. We've discussed, and we've made plenty of money so far in our long-term positions when we've bought in for the long-term here on XRP. The second we confirmed closure below this major over a year and a half of consolidation, once we broke the purple band, we bought in at 38 cents. And since then, we're currently at 48 cents. We've been in this uptrend here, retesting moving average as expected on the weekly charts here. But recently, we came to reject off the moving averages here. It didn't have enough steam to break us through it, but the next time we retest it, I'm a strong believer that we will break through it here. Who knows how long that's going to take, but I do think we are going to come back up to retest moving average and also go back inside the moving average, probably closer to 59 cents, somewhere in that range there. So I'm excited to see how this pans out. I'm excited to see how things start to move in the next couple of weeks on the long term. But daily charts, I also am a strong believer we're probably going to continue to the upside here. Now, I've been looking patiently for some sort of uptrend to draw, and it's definitely not there. I'd like it to be something like this, but it's definitely too early to tell where this uptrend is. It's very possible this could be one as we slowly start to pan upwards here. But, things are going to have to consolidate. We're going to take a while before we get to find any sort of long-term daily uptrend here. But without a doubt, we have broken and we are heading to the upside, which is a good sign. We're also, after the consolidation, which makes sense, we were overbought just a couple of days ago. In the end of March, we were overbought. Now, it's a month later. Here we are in April here. We are consolidating for the most part. And in the next couple, I think Monday will be in May, which is incredible too. As you know, January, February, March, April, May, we're almost mid-month, and we've discussed that this year is going to be fairly bullish, this year is going to be fairly bullish in regards to seeing, XRP move up. And then once we fill out 2023, 2024 is around the corner, and that's when I expect the bull market to take place. As I believe strictly, these markets are cyclical. Things like XRP form over 4-year patterns here and have sort of these 3 cycle formations: consolidation, bull market, bear market, consolidation again, bull market, bear market. Here we are, consolidation again, which lasts about a year to a little over a year of each point here. And then we're going to have the bull market, which comes next year. So I'm very excited to see how things pan out. We're still not out of the woods just yet, but I do believe we are going to be heading up long term come next year, as well as finishing up this month. We have another 7 months of consolidation and movement here. And I do believe we are going to be heading higher strongly. I believe XRP is going to be heading higher. Now, obviously, we do all of our trades on BitFi, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of is offered on BitFi. Literally everything here. They have Bitcoin to trade. They have Ethereum to trade. They even have XRP to leverage trade, which is so unique, unlike all these other exchanges. So make sure to check out BitFi. Link is down in the description. It's completely free. They also have a demo account, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills, which means not only can you sign up to the website free, but you can trade free and risk-free. There's no risk in losing anything when you're trading around with Monopoly money here. And what's also really cool, the best part is, like I said before, you do get the $100 deposit if you just follow the simple 3 steps, like I said, and those forms are down in the description below. The other cool thing is that when you do sign up, if you click Welcome Rewards, you can earn up to $2,888 by completing other rewards too. So there's literally zero risk. You don't lose anything. You are losing stuff if you don't fill out and don't sign up to here. It's that simple. You're not going to lose. It's hard to explain. You're not going to lose anything that you already have signing up to the website here, but you are going to lose the potential of getting up to pretty much $3,000 in bonuses here by not filling out some of the stuff here. So make sure to check it out. Link is down below, as I've said. And moving forward from XRP and from BitFi here, looking at Ethereum here, you can see the consolidation that's pretty much taking over the market here. Lots of consolidation, as you can see. And as we're starting to move up here, we are most likely going to be breaking to the upside. That's really where I believe we're going to see movements here. It's very possible. We have to just pay attention to the way this ascending fractal is forming here. We really have to pay attention to the way this ascending fractals forming here. If we break through this, we buy in long. If we don't, there's a good chance we're going to fall down a moving average here. But the thing is, it's very tough to figure out where we're going to be moving inside these ascending triangles or ascending channels here. It's even harder to make a considerable play because it's extremely aggressive trading inside of this. So truly what we're looking for is daily closure above here for us to long this to the upside here. And the reason I'm still hesitant about seeing Ethereum head up higher instead of more so correction, which I think is more so where we're going to be moving to, is because things like the S&P are also hitting resistance. And I'd be very shocked if we break through this to the upside. I don't think it's likely. I think more so we're definitely due for a correction than we are for a pump to the upside. Now, I don't think we're going to fall that low. I just want to show you in the weekly here. I think it's going to be more so something like this. And I can see movements like this to the upside here. But ideally, correction is what I think is pretty much taking over the market over the next couple of days. As we've just had a pump, we're now retesting resistance again. I'd be very shocked if we break through it, as I don't think it's necessary. But a correction nonetheless to the downside here would obviously pull, I believe, Ethereum down with it as we continue upwards here. Same thing with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going to pull down and then head to the upside too. But, markets are all over the place. I'm not, a mind reader, a fortune teller. We have to wait things out where it's too difficult to trade on Ethereum and Bitcoin. The main focus is right now on XRP. With XRP closing above this resistance, let's see how we pan out over the next coming days, as it is the weekend, and usually weekends are flatlined. So we'll see if that continues forward as we, move into the rest of this weekend. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.